Okay, so now we're gonna learn some new words such as aquel, aquello, and aquellos. And these ones are actually very similar to what we learned in the previous lesson. So in the previous lesson, we learned about here and there and way over there and how they change according to the distance. So now we're gonna learn something similar by using that and those. So let's try the first one. The first word we have is aquello, which means that over there. Or it also means it has a second meaning, meaning that which. For example, if I was to say that which I ate yesterday, you would say aquello que comí ayer, that which I ate yesterday. But we're gonna focus on the first meaning, that over there. And this one is actually neutral. So it means that you don't know the gender of what it is. For example, if we look at the picture, I have no idea what that is. So in this case, you would just say aquello, that over there. You don't know the gender. You just know it's something, that over there. And if you happen to know the gender, you can say aquel, which is for something that's masculine. So it basically means that over there or that one over there, and it's masculine. So that over there, that one over there. So here we have in the picture there's some fire. So you can say aquel fuego, that fire over there, aquel fuego. And the female version for this one would be aquella, which means that over there or that one over there, but you know it's female. So on the picture we have a mountain, so you can say aquella montaña, that mountain over there. So aquello refers to something that you don't know the gender, so it's neutral. So you don't know the gender, you just know there's something. Aquello. And aquel is the same thing, that over there, but for masculine, for something masculine. And aquella is for feminine things, for something feminine. And when it comes to plurals, we have aquellos, which means those over there. Aquellos. And this is plural and masculine, and it can also be used for mixed genders. If you have something that's both male and female genders together, you would say aquellos. And aquellas also means those over there, but only for female plural things. So here we have some houses, so you would say aquellas casas, those houses over there. And aquellos is for masculine things or mixed things. So here we have some windmills, so you would say aquellos molinos, those windmills. Okay, let's try the next one. So in the previous lesson, we learned about these and those in one of the previous lessons, as well as this and that. So if you need a recap related to this, you can always go back and click on the video. These, those. So these are estos, estas. This for singular, este, esto, esta. Those, esos, esas. That, ese, eso, esa. So these ones are the plural ones. These ones are the singular ones. And we're going to be working on the new ones, which are for even far away things. So you have these, those, and now we're going to learn those over there. Those way over there. And that over there. That way over there. So this is similar to the previous material where we have allá, which is way over there. Allá. So basically the same, but for that and those. So maybe you can write these ones, take note of these ones, so you can remember them better. Okay, let's try some examples. The first example we have is aquella chica es mi mejor amiga. So aquella, that girl, that over there, aquella chica, that girl over there is my best friend. Mi mejor amiga, my best friend. So aquella, that girl over there. And another example, aquel. We use aquel because it's a building, edificio, and we know it's masculine. Aquel edificio es muy alto. That building over there is very tall. Aquel edificio es muy alto. That building over there is very tall. And another example with aquellas, we have nubes, aquellas nubes, those clouds. So nubes is feminine and it's also plural because there are many clouds. So we use aquellas nubes tienen forma de animales. Those clouds over there have animal shapes. Aquellas nubes tienen forma de animales. And let's try another example. Me gusta aquel carro blanco. So aquel because we're referring to a car, which is masculine. Me gusta aquel carro blanco. I like that white car over there. Me gusta aquel carro blanco. Okay, let's try another one. Este es mi carro. This is my car. Aquel es tu carro. That one over there is your car. Este es mi carro. Aquel es tu carro. So este es, this is, aquel es. That one over there is yours. Okay, so it's not so complicated once you get used to it. So you just need to practice and maybe take notes about this. And another example. Me gustan aquellas montañas. I like those mountains over there. Aquellas montañas. So it basically means I like those mountains. But it can also mean over there because the mountains are far away. Me gustan aquellas montañas. I like those mountains over there. That are over there. And another example. Aquel puente está muy largo. That bridge over there is very long. Aquel puente está muy largo. That bridge over there is very long. But we can just say that bridge is very long. And it's basically the same. And another one. Aquellas piedras están muy grandes. Those stones are very tall. So basically, those stones way over there, those stones over there are very tall. And let's try another example. Esta pelota es roja. Esta. This ball is red. So esta because it's nearby from you. And you can always say, aquella pelota es amarilla. That ball over there is yellow. So esta pelota es roja. This ball is red. Aquella. That ball over there is yellow. Aquella pelota es amarilla. Okay. And let's try another example. Estos son mis pantalones viejos. These are my old pants. Estos son mis pantalones viejos. And the next one. Estos son mis pantalones nuevos. These are my new pants. So, estos son mis pantalones viejos and estos son mis pantalones nuevos. So you can always say estos, these are. Or you can also say aquellos depending on the distance. But if they're nearby, just go for estos. Okay, so that's it for these ones. And I recommend taking notes about this lesson and playing with the Quizlet. So that's it. Thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lesson's Quizlet by going into the Lecture Resources folder. Thanks for watching.